3, 2, 1.
A female horse is known as what? The answer is B, a mare. What is the main ingredient of a Reuben sandwich? The answer is B, corned beef. Which vitamin helps with blood clotting? The answer is D, vitamin K. What mountain range includes Mt. Everest? The answer is A, Himalayas. What is the closest star to Earth? The answer is B, Alpha Centauri A. Which furniture item can be found in a living room and a kitchen?
The answer is D, sofa.
What is Josh's hobby on the show Drake and Josh? The answer is B, cooking. What is the name of the Rebels bomber in Star Wars? The answer is D, Y-wing. Which vegetable is native to Mexico and has a spicy taste? The answer is D, chili pepper. Which animal is warm-blooded? The answer is C, parakeet. Who describes himself as a bear of very little? The answer is A, brain. Which leader resigned after the 2018 Cambridge Analytica scandal? The answer is B, Mark Zuckerberg. A signal from the brain to a muscle in the arm is transmitted by which structures? The answer is C, motor neurons. A turbine that spins a generator will produce? The answer is A, electricity. I have 1,000 eyes, 8 arms, and many heads. Who am I? The answer is A, Hydra. Where was American gangster Al Capone born? The answer is B, Brooklyn, New York, U.S. What is the chemical name of baking soda? The answer is A, sodium bicarbonate. Which magazine name applies to a charismatic person and claims to be the beauty expert? The answer is B, Allure. What system is needed for a body to get its needed supply of the gas humans breathe in? The answer is A, the circulatory system. Compounds containing an atom of what element, bonded in a hydrocarbon framework, are classified as amines? The answer is D, nitrogen. In basketball, what is the name of the ball?
The answer is B, leather.
There is always a slightly negative pressure within what cavity, helping keep the airways of the lungs open? The answer is C, thoracic. In what country was Catherine de Médicis, wife of King Henry Roman II of France, born? The answer is B, Italy. Who is the director of The Shawshank Redemption? The answer is C, Frank Darabont. Which fruit is often used in marmalade? The answer is A, orange. Who painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling?
The answer is A, Michelangelo.
Which is not a fossil fuel? The answer is C, wood. What was the name of the first computer game? The answer is A, tennis for two. Sudden changes in geologic and climatic conditions can spur what process? The answer is A, evolution. Which European capital is home to major EU institutions? The answer is A, Brussels. Who invented the first electric light bulb? The answer is A, Thomas Edison. On the TV series Seinfeld, Jerry was very smitten with a character played by actress Deborah Messing. What stood in Jerry's way? The answer is B, she was married and anti-Semitic. Which scientist built the first telescope? The answer is C, Galileo. With which singer was Louis Prima most closely aligned? The answer is C, Keely Smith. What is the branch of economics that studies the behavior and interactions of a market as a whole? The answer is B, macroeconomics. What creature from Arthurian legends has a serpent's head, a leopard's body, and deer's feet? The answer is C, questing beasts. What actress from the popular 80s television show Night Court sang on Meat Loaf's Bat Out of Hell album 1977? The answer is D, Ellen Foley. An object undergoing circular motion experiences centripetal what? The answer is A, acceleration. What is the profession of Nancy Drew's Aunt Alois in New York in the popular book series? The answer is C. Teacher. What is the result of I** I in complex numbers? The answer is A. 0. Which of these was Ronald Reagan's favorite candy? The answer is B. Jelly beans. Sunlight passes through the windows of a car and causes the car seats to get hot. Which type of energy flow is involved in heating the seats? The answer is D. Radiation. Which of these Latin phrases means freedom will flood all things with light? The answer is A. Libertas perfundet omnia luz. Who are the three men in the nursery rhyme Rub-a-Dub-Dub? The answer is C. Butcher, candlestick maker, and baker. In computer networking, what do the initials URL stand for? The answer is C. Uniform Resource Locator. What is a sack filled with fluid or other material? The answer is A. cyst. All matter in the universe has measurable properties. Under the correct circumstances, what property of a sample of matter may be equal to 0? The answer is B. Its weight. The diet of a brown bear includes roots, grasses, berries, nuts, fish, insects, and mammals. Based on this description, in what category is a brown bear? The answer is C. Omnivore. What does the word Christmas mean? The answer is C. Mass of Christ. Which type of cell is responsible for movement in animals?